Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorial. Alright, so I was actually supposed to do a Fortnite dance tutorial this time, but then my friend said you need to do this spooky skeleton dance so that I can use it for his TikTok. So here it is. I promise you Fortnite fans that I will do the Fortnite tutorial for next time. As always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Blaze J, for being the first one to request it. Alright, so this dance might seem hard for a lot of you guys, but in my opinion, it's just because the dance moves are done really fast. If you really break down the dance move, it's actually pretty simple. So I'm gonna try my best to show you step by step in slow motion how to do the dance move. And then once you can do it slow, you can just practice over and over again so that you can do it fast. Okay, so when you really look at the dance is basically just two moves being repeated over and over again with different arms, of course. So I'm gonna try to show you this and this. Yeah, if you can do those two moves, you can basically do the whole dance. Alright, so in order to learn the first move, let's just start by practicing jumping like this. Yeah, so two jumps on each leg. So let's just say left and right and let's just go again. 5, 6, 7, 8, left and right and once again 5, 6, 7, 8, left and right and 5, 6, 7, 8 and right and 5, 6, 7, 8 left and right and pretty easy, right? So next exercise we're gonna do is we're saying jump here on the spot and then we're gonna jump a bit to the side. Yeah, so you're gonna do jump to the side, jump to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump to the side. Now you want to do the opposite, you want to move to the other side. So from here, you want to switch leg, you want to say jump to the other side. So first it's, for instance, left side, right leg, right side. Just a small jump to the side, yeah? So let's go left, jump, left, right, jump, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, jump, left, right, jump, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, jump, left, right, jump, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, jump, left, right, jump, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, jump, left, right, jump, right. Alright, pretty simple, right? So let's move on to the next level. So here, 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 here. Now the only difference now is that you want to say jump and then you want to straighten out your right leg when you jump to the left. Yeah, so let's just do that last jump here. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, kick. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, kick. Now let's just try to practice jump left, jump, kick. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump, kick. Now we want to go to the opposite side. Now the right leg is already straightened out here, so you want to jump on your right. So from here, jump right. From here, you want to do the same thing by kicking out your left, jumping to the right. So let's just do that. From here, jump kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump kick. Alright, now let's try to do the whole thing. So we're gonna go jump left, kick out, jump right, kick out. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, kick, jump right, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, kick, jump right, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, kick, jump right, kick. Now, for the next move, which is called the Charleston, aka the wiggle walk, which is also used in the jaywalk and a lot of other popular dances. So since I've explained it in my other videos, I'm just gonna use the one I did in the Creeper All-Man video. Here it comes. Alright, so we're gonna do this in baby steps. The first thing I want you to practice is just doing a lot of small jumps. Doesn't look like we're jumping, but we are. We're saying jump, jump. Notice how the ball of my foot here is still planted on the ground. Yeah, so I still want to do this in order not to lift my whole foot, right? So I want to do whoop, whoop, and not whoop, whoop. So whoop, 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 whoop. And it's important that you jump so that you don't use your strength to say whoa, whoa. Alright, so second thing I want you to practice is putting your feet like this. So let's just say our left is in front of our right. You want to lift your right foot, so you're standing on one foot. Now you want to do like we practiced before, but now you want to turn your heel like that. Yeah, so went from here to here. And I want to do that while I'm doing the jump. So I'm saying, ha. Let's just do that again. Now you want to stand up near a wall to keep the balance, or you can just do like this, if you're okay with that. But what you want to practice is saying whoop, yeah? Just this leg, right? Left leg. Heel is saying to the side. Okay, so once you can do to the side, what I want you to do is bring it back. Yeah, so heel is going back to the original position. So I'm saying out, in, here, here. So the first one is tap. Now a second jump again, tap. And actually now already you can practice saying up. Yeah, so remember this one goes to the side, up. Now I want to bring it down in front of my left, so my right is going in front of my left, like that. Yeah, so the left is saying ha, ha. Right is just saying up, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down. Let's try that again. And remember the jumps, you're not lifting it like that because then you'll get tired pretty quickly if you can do it at all. So let's try that again. Jump, jump, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump. Okay, now what I want you to do is practice to the opposite side. So here, the right is in front of my left, and then I want to say to the side, back. Let's try that again. Right in front of my left, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, back. Okay, let's try to combine it. So we're gonna say left in front of my right. I'm gonna say up, down, up, down. Let's try that again. So left in front of my right. I want to say up, now down, again, opposite side, up, down. Okay, so now you know how to do up, down, up, down. You can continue, practice, and then you can speed up when you get comfortable. So basically you're just doing this jumping motion up and down. Now if you still can't do the move, then I would suggest you go watch my other video here on how to do the wiggle walk, aka the Charleston. I explain it in a different way, or it's a different way of learning it at least. Okay, so once you can do those two moves, then basically you can do the dance. Now we just need to add the arms.